Alicia.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Looks like we're here to talk about our skin, what we love about it, what we hate, and what we can do better.
And we have a lot to talk about. At least I do. I don't know about you, but I experienced really dry skin when I was younger.
Same with me.
But your skin is so smooth and shiny. It's radiant and glowing. You would never know it. What are you doing to get that look?
Actually, I just changed lotions. My dermatologist recommended Eucerin Intensive Repair because she said I needed something with alpha hydroxy to help exfoliate my skin, and urea, one of skin's natural moisturizers, to hydrate. It made my dull, ashy skin look radiant immediately, then provided intense hydration over time.
No way. I love Eucerin too. I use the Advanced Repair Lotion and I'm obsessed with it. They have a body cream. I prefer the lotion. I've always turned to it because it immediately relieves my dry skin, which is always a must when I'm on the go. It has ceramides and helps prevent future dryness. I also love that it keeps my skin moisturized without leaving me with that greasy feeling. This lotion also has NMFs, which include amino acids like those found in the skin. The lotion boosts my skin's natural moisture. It relieves my skin now and doubles my skin's moisture to help repair my dry skin over time. You have no idea how happy I am that I finally found a lotion that works for me.
Oh, yes, I do. And Eucerin has a whole range of products, clinically proven and recommended by dermatologists for so many other dry skin conditions too. It's also great that the whole line is fragrance and paraben-free, so it's suitable for people with sensitive skin. I think we're gonna have a lot in common.